has a jukebox soul. It's a long distance prayer to the rock and roll. The waitress is humming